What's up, you guys? In today's video I'm doing a Jess test video where I test DIYs and just things on the internet that I see and want to recreate. And today I'm doing DIY acrylic nails without acrylic, and I've seen tons of videos like this all over YouTube, so I thought I'd test it out and let you know what I think. So based on other people's videos, they use these nails from Amazon. They're just plastic and they cover the whole nail. They come in clear and also like a white color. And I picked up 2 bags of this. Each one has 500 nails, and I got them on sale, so it was about $10 for both bags, as well as this glue that was $5. Then, based off of other people's videos, they also used a nail file, and I didn't really have one, so I just had this block with a whole bunch of other things too, a nail clipper, and some nail polish. So the first thing I did was I opened up the bags of nails, and I noticed that they were little bags that were numbered 0 to 9, 0 being the largest nail and 9 being the smallest. So I'm guessing that the 0 would be a pinky, or not a pinky, a thumb size, and a 9 would possibly be a pinky size. So basically all I did was I just opened up a whole bunch of them and I just lined them against my own nail just to make sure that they fit and that the nail wasn't sticking out on the sides and it wasn't too short. Then afterwards I just laid them out in the order that I would be placing them on my nails. So I started with the pinky on my left hand all the way to the pinky on my right hand. Then I just laid them out on a piece of tissue, and I'm going to trim them because based off of other people's videos, these nails are so long and a lot of people recommended trimming them, so that's what I'm doing. And it was honestly really hard to trim these down. I had to grab a normal pair of like crafting scissors, the ones with the straight blades, instead of a nail clipper because I used the coffin style nails, and if I used the nail clipper it would have had a curved cut to it and I wanted a straight one. And so I just tried to keep the same shape, and these nails are actually really easy to cut, so it wasn't really a problem. The only thing that was tough for me to do was to keep the original coffin shape at the tip of the nail where it curves inwards, and then there's a flat part to it. That was the hardest part, but it turned out okay. And after each one I trimmed, I just filed it down because the plastic is a bit rough. So what I found the easiest honestly was to cut off the tip of one nail that you don't really care about, line that up with another nail, full size one, and then I'm just going to keep the same shape. So all I did was laid it on top and I tried to trim it around it. So basically like tracing but for cutting, if that makes sense. And I found that that was the easiest way to get the same shape without, and to get them uniform with all the other nails. And that took honestly like 2 or 3 hours. So this definitely is time consuming, but overall I probably only spent like $10 or $10 to $15 on this whole manicure, so it was totally fine with me to be spending a couple hours because you probably would have spent the same amount of time in a nail salon anyways. But after I had all of my nails trimmed, I lined them up again because I had them stored in a bag because I waited a couple days to actually put them on. And so what I did was I just put a couple drops of this nail glue onto my nail. And the hardest part about placing these nails on your real nails is, for me, the glue dried too quickly, so the minute I would put down a plastic nail, I couldn't move it after that, and it was really difficult, especially for my first couple tries because it wasn't really lined up in the center of my nail, and this nail glue is really sturdy, so it was really difficult to take the nail off and redo it. It does come off though, I want to say. I tried with some nail polish remover and it worked fine. It just took a little bit of time and it actually damaged the plastic nail, so I don't recommend you taking them off because it's a long process to get back to where you began. You have to trim a new one, glue it again, all that work. But yeah, so after I glued on my nails, they look like this, and honestly, I was pretty proud with it. I did a pretty good job for my first try of trimming them. And then I painted my nails. I chose this baby blue color. It was really pretty, and the nail polish really goes on the nails really well. It's really smooth, and I recommend doing 2 coats. I don't really remember how other people did it in the videos that I watched, but I think it works really well with just 2 coats, one thin coat and then a thicker one on top. And let me just say, it looks a little weird when it's just the clear nail on your real nail, but after you paint it, it looks so much better, and it actually honestly looks like the stuff you can get at a salon, which I was really excited about because I saved myself a lot of money, and I don't know, I just feel really proud of these, and I'm really excited and happy that I tried this out. But yeah. So this is what it looked like when it was done. Doesn't it look like legit? I mean, like some some nails I didn't glue the fake nail down like deep enough in, so it wasn't touching my cuticles, as well as some other ones. But honestly, I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks like nail salon quality nails, but without the stress of having to leave my own house. I literally got the stuff shipped to my house, and then I got to do them on my own time. And it was really nice. I will say this was super time consuming, and it does take a lot of practice to kind of trim off the sides, especially if you're doing like a shape like the coffin. And I'm pretty sure that doing like an oval one would be super difficult too, because it's really hard to round off a nail with nail clippers. So let me know if you want me to try those, because I have oval nails too. But I will also leave some videos down below from some YouTubers that I've watched and were inspired by to create this video. So, and also let me know down in the comments what videos you want to see next. I'm really interested in trying new things out. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. It can be anything. But yeah, this is what they look like, and I'm really proud of the way they look, even though, you know, it did take some effort, and it was very time consuming. Actually, in this clip, you can actually see how I didn't do a very good job of gluing them down and possibly sizing them. I'm not really sure what went wrong, but you can tell from the side of my thumb that the nail doesn't cover my full nail, and you can kind of see a little bit on the edge. But these are just superficial nails anyways. They're just for looks, not really for like any purpose or anything. So, and since you can't really tell that my real nail's sticking out underneath, I think it looks fine. But I will say that these really do need practice, but if you can master them, they're really easy, and I would highly recommend this to anyone who has time and is also looking for a cheaper alternative to going to a nail salon, because these look legit. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!